Nancy, and we're here to tell you what the heck is an insert?
What's an insert? I tell ya.
This is a YouTube for beginners and experts alike in planning. Maybe you've never heard of an insert, you never used one. Well, we have a lot. We have a lot of inserts. Different materials and designs, and we cannot wait to show you what they are. This is an insert.
Yes, it is.
Lolly, can you give us a general definition of an insert?
Yeah, so this is an extra page that you can put into your planner. It's made specifically to go into our binding of our planners, and it just adds a little something to your planning or to your planner. So you could have a rose layout and want the short pages from the Nancy or the Ann. You can do that with an insert. You could have a Nancy layout and want a time-blocked week. You can do that with an insert. You could have any of our layouts and think, man, I really have an event or all my schoolwork or all my lesson plans or whatever to break down. You can do that with our insert. They're movable throughout the planner because they have this PVC reinforced portion to them. I don't know if the camera's really getting it, but we'll see. And you can put them in your month or you can put them at the back of your planner.
Yeah.
It's your oyster, baby.
You can really customize your planner using this. I like to think of inserts as if you're using your planner and you're like, I'm not sure if this planner layout is for me, rather than going to buy an entirely new planner, maybe go and try out some inserts, and those can help lead you in a direction that might work better for you.
Or if you are using a planner, it's totally working for you, but you're like, I need this little extra help or this little extra element that's not quite there yet and I don't feel like writing it in or whatever. You would use an insert for that. So we've thought through a lot of the extra things people might need.
We're always thinking of more. As you can see, you can get a paper insert or a plastic insert. Not all of them come in both paper and plastic, and not all of them come in all the sizes of layouts that we offer.
We're adding more and more plastic inserts as we go.
Yeah, and we'll talk about some of the ones that we do offer.
Yes, absolutely.
Shall we show the team how you put one in?
Yeah, we're going to show you pretty basic right here.
Let's do it.
How you put them in to every single layout. So that's our plan. Okay, so this is a Scout, and it has a spiral binding here. So the holes are a little closer together, so it does take a little okay. I like to start either at the top or the bottom and just start one by one.
Smart.
And just put them in.
For the Scout, it's smart to start at the bottom.
Yeah. And this one you can kind of push down all the way with your fingers, or you can do individual, whatever floats your boat. And then it stays in there.
Yeah.
And you can easily take it out and put it back if you want to move it or whatever you want. You know, if you want it to be in between your weeks or in the back of your planner, you could also have it up here in the Scout, which is kind of awesome. For some of the Scout ones, it's pretty cool. And here we are still working on the teeth, I will say, for this. But this is our first iteration. And we're still working on it. But I like the way you can just press it and go. You know what bugs me about this? It's oval instead of circle. And that's the thing I want to change. And literally that's it. But these could not be easier to get in and out.
I really like the plastic
these are
inserts.
Great. Yep.
The Scout.
I do too. Okay. Scout large, you are done. Let's show Scout small.
It's literally the exact same as the Scout large, but just takes a little less time because there's less little guys to boop in. There he is.
Sorry, am I crinkling paper behind me, Nancy?
And then, no, you're good. And then how easy.
I know, that's really easy.
I'm a huge fan of these ones. I like these because the plastic ones, you can put sticky notes on them and the sticky notes won't lose their stickiness because it's plastic.
Yep.
And they're also even easier than the paper to move. So just moving them month to month, week to week is so easy.
So easy.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
I keep everything, my frog list on these ones.
Yes. Yeah, your monthly reminder. You keep a lot of stuff of how to.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the small Scout all shown and lovely. Now let's do the large Ann. So this will be the case for the Valerie, the Ann, the Nancy, the Rose, but we'll show you the Rose. So this again, you just pop on in. And again, I did it one by one, but you don't have to. You could squish them in if you want. But I like to, it's satisfying. And some of our inserts are the size of the short pages. Some go a little further out and some go all the way out. Just look at the dimensions on the website. It depends on the product, where we thought people would use it the most. In and out.
Oh, that's nice.
Stop. And then here's the plastic one. There you go. That's how it fits in. Another pro tip about these is that if the slight dip in your planner, if that bothers you, it has never once bothered me.
I know, me neither.
Put a plastic insert in the month behind and it creates sort of a hard surface for you to write on. So if that bothers you, you could use a plastic insert for that as well. Just a little more rigidity.
All right. And then here's a small Nancy for you.
All right. We're going to pop her in.
Beep, boop, beep, bop, beep.
There you go, guys. It's like another page in your planner. And for a little treat for those of you who are watching this video you might deem boring.
No one's saying that.
You could perhaps in the future have an entire planner made of inserts.
Oh.
That is a sneak peek. Am I in trouble, Mabby?
Mabby approved.
Mabby approved.
And then here is our small
plastic insert.
Here is our small plastic insert.
Guys, we used to call these pips because we called them pop-in panels, but we're just trying to make things less cute and more clear for everybody now that we've grown. So paper inserts, plastic insert.
Easy peasy.
Okay, and then I kind of want to show in the rows, just like a special call out for the rows, because this planner, you really can buy this base and then choose what short page you want to maybe experiment with how you might want to lay out your planner or which planner you want to go with full time. The rows, if you start with that, and then you could get the Nancy short pages, the hourly, aka Anne short pages, the appointments page in here. There's a lot of different ways you can build on the rows with inserts specifically, which I think is really cool.
Yeah.
And like part of the reason we love the rows for a million reasons, but that's one of the best parts, I think. If you're really into inserts and switching it up every month and blah, 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 do the rows with inserts. That makes it so fun. Okay, so for a visual for this is the rows all filled out. And then you could put this here if you needed like a day, kind of a zoom in on the day.
An especially busy day.
Yeah, especially busy day, but you're not really messing with your spread that much by having that in there. And that's the same with if you want the hourly layout, the appointments, the anything like that, you could use it in that way.
So this is the Anne, but in paper insert form.
Yeah.
And then here is the Nancy in paper insert form.
Yeah.
So we have
so many different things. Yeah. So I love the rows with insert friends. They're amazing.
Rows and inserts are
rows and insert
BFFs.
BFF.
They have little heart necklaces and everything.
They really do.
Yeah. I want to address what a booster pack is.
Ooh, versus like a normal insert pack.
A normal insert pack is what you saw before, where it was just the
same
pages.
Thing of like, usually it's 12 to 14. It's indicated on the listing.
A booster pack, though, y'all, is you get an assorted number of pages and they're all different.
They're all just like extra stuff that you might want.
This is our new parent insert pack. And so like this one is where you say all the fun things, the milestones and gratitude, health tracking. So you get the picture.
This is just a place for the extra things that you would need that you're like, I don't know if these really have a home in my actual planner layout, but I want to keep them with me at all times with my planner. And that's what a booster is, or to help you kind of zoom in on a particular subject.
I use the event planning one a lot, and I'm really excited about some of our new ones that we have coming up.
I'm very excited about some of the new ones. In fact, I'm so excited about it that to one of my best friends, she needed it, and we're not going to have it until May. And I literally sent her the print files.
Really?
I was like, you need these? Just print these out. Okay, I have an announcement. It's not a good announcement.
Oh.
Yeah, it's kind of a womp-womp announcement.
Oh.
Regarding plastic inserts. If you are watching this video after September 2026, you can ignore this important announcement. If you are watching it before that, these plastic inserts, the Chaos to Categories, for the Scout Large, the Scout Small, or the Clear Large, have kind of a wonky chomp. These are wonky teeth. They need braces.
Yeah, they do.
And they're getting braces right now, but braces take a long time to fix something. And so, some braces can take 2 years. Ours are only going to take like 5 months or something. Okay, I want to show you guys how these pop in because it is a little wonky and that's why we're switching it. And I could tell you the long story about how this got screwed up, but it's so long. Like, why do we?
Yeah, not very.
And I'm still confused, so I'm not going to confuse you. So pop the Scout in from the top. It goes every 2 chompers. And honestly, once you line this up, it's not that bad to get it in. Like, this is still a fine product.
Yeah.
Right? It doesn't flow as nicely as I want it to over the spiral because it's like so tight with the tube, but it's not a deal breaker. We launched this product anyway. We just want to fix it for all the rest of them. So that is it in a small scalp. And then here it is in a large clear, but that is the same thing for a large scalp. And just every two, poppy. It lines up. It's just not as smooth as we want it to be.
Yeah.
Turning the large is actually much smoother than the small.
Oh.
Yeah. There you have it. That's my important announcement.
That's good. Did we effectively address what an insert was?
I super hope we did.
I think so.
Yeah.
Go to our website, please.
All the inserts, accessories,
so
inserts.
Yes.
You will find them all.
And we also have a lot of YouTubes where we go over like, oh, how to use our goal breakdown insert pack or how to use event planning. We did that.
Checklist, project ones.
Oh yeah, we did some.
Did a lot of those.
We'll link that in the description of this video as well. All right, what is our sign off?
May your inserts fit like a good shirt.
Oh, that's good.
Bye. Who am I?
Ooh.
She good.
Fresh. Sorry.
Oh, the giant hammer! Oh no! It's a tragedy!
No.
All over our covers and our inserts. Oh no, it's not gonna be perfect.
I know. Don't you wish we were using the ones by the bathroom now, huh? Okay. Sorry I cursed about the Dr. Pepper.
My husband just asked what trashy reality show I'm watching with my children. I think I'll say no comment. So.
Oh yeah, good call. Plead the fifth.
My shirt like smells good and then it doesn't smell good. But then it doesn't. If you... Oh my gosh!
I don't think it smells
It's
bad.
like alcohol and something else just not to drink. Like rubbing alcohol and something else like in the back of my throat.
No. It smells kind of like laundry detergent. I like it.
This is Bad News Bears.
This is the sad insert party. Nobody showed up.
Aww. Oh, it's so
My brain is also
sad.
like the more inserts we take out, the more we're gonna
No, it's
pour
awful.
back
We can't
in.
take.
Okay.